Katjiuongua says as an institution, BIPA is going to look at how to improve the country's ranking on doing business, which includes automating its systems. She noted that there are certain aspects that are not stipulated in the country's laws, such as issues of corporate governance, which is crucial when it comes to the administration of business. Katjiuongua further added that it is important when laws are developed and amended for beneficiaries, users and implementers to be part and parcel of the process.
Laws that we are talking about are the laws that relates to the formation, the maintaining and the lifespan of a business in Namibia, which is companies, close corporations in their different forms and shapes. But because, as I indicated, the law is a technical subject, we would also encourage those such as your legal practitioners, your auditors, your accountants, your company secretary, service providers, the consultants who do business registration for others. We would encourage them to come and participate in the process, and even business owners, whether it's shareholders or just directors, so that they can come and really engage and also provide us with feedback on how they see these changes would impact on the business and on themselves as individuals, because it also talks about corporate governance, which would go to the roles and responsibilities of directors as well as shareholders.
Also speaking at the occasion was the Associate Professor of Law from South Africa, Chepo Mongalo, who stated that if Namibia pulls through with the corporate law reform, it will improve the state of the country's relations in business and competitiveness.
Because what happens is every investor looks as to what is the jurisdiction that can actually, provide, as a safe and secure environment in which my investment can be protected. And if Namibia does not play in that field, it'll find itself on a back foot with regard to attracting investment. And the promotion of efficiency of companies and management thereof is obviously at the heart as well of corporate law reform, because what it includes is what sort of powers do we give to companies in order to run efficiently without the government actually breathing behind their necks in a way in which regulatory and performance or regulatory compliance becomes more of a concern for the businesses rather than them running their businesses effectively.
The criminalization of minor offences, you are discouraging people from becoming company directors, and you're discouraging people from investing in Namibian companies. If filing your accounts a month late is a criminal offence, then you're not likely to want to have a company here where you could find yourself being criminalised for something which is not appropriate. Maybe you should be subject to a fine or civil sanction, but not to a criminal sanction.
BIPA will be hosting the Corporate Law Reform Project for the Regional Consultation Program meeting countrywide.